Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be a super quick and simple card with lots of die cutting and embossing and just a little sentiment in the middle, just so we don't hide away from them beautiful snowflakes in the background. The sentiment is from the warm-hearted, and I've just taken the merry and heat embossed it onto black cardstock. Let's move that out of the way. So I have already done a lot of preparation for this card. I'm using a standard size C6 Whisper White, and what I've done is I've used a thick cardstock compared to the normal Whisper White because it's so much more sturdy. As you can see, it's brilliant. And what I've brought in is a piece of mint macaron, or macaroon, however you prefer, and I've run it through the Big Shot, and I have used the subtle texture embossing folder, and as you can see, it creates a wonderful effect, and it reminds me of wallpaper. I don't know if people, my followers in other countries, hi by the way, would know what I mean, but people in the UK, I'm sure you'll recognise this as a wallpaper kind of effect. So all I'm going to do is bring in my snail adhesive and run that down and put that onto the card as so. I have left a 2mm border around each side, and as I said, I'm using the Snowfall's dies, which is a limited edition product even for November. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the mint macaron, which is our medium sized snowflake. How pretty is that? And then I'm going to bring in the smaller one, which is Whisper White, and I'm just going to line it up how I want and press it down in the middle, and then you'll find the adhesive from the dimensional on the back is holding that into place. And I'm just going to take that off and then just line this up with whichever I want. I think I want that way, like so. So as you can see there, super delicate. If I drop it, there we go, super pretty. You can also imagine it as a little decoration on a tree, can't you? It's very pretty. And all I'm going to do is put a bit of snail on the back of that and put that in the middle to the top of our card, like so. So the sentiment, as I said, was just that merry from warm-hearted, stamped onto basic black and heat embossed. I used the Stamparatus just to stamp it down so I could line it up perfectly on this small strip, and I just used a bit of masking tape to cover the Christmas, so I did a bit across here and then like that. And all I'm going to do is bring in my paper snips and just cut it at a slight angle on either side, like so. There you have it. How cute is that? And what I'm also going to do is to tear this down is I'm going to bring in the foam strips, which are super brilliant. You can use these for shaky cards and so many other more, just even sentiments like this. It works so well. So that's on the back, and I'm going to stick that in the centre, like so. How quick and easy is that? Super pretty. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed today's card. Why not, while you're here, pop into the description bar below to see a full list of products used as well as where to purchase them. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share this video to all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. See you around. Bye.